Hey, what's up, dude? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Good to see you, bro. Hello. Smile. Hashtag not my intro. Can I get a hashtag not my chat room in the chat, dude? You guys are not my chat room, bro. My old chat room would have just smiled no matter what, dude. You guys have changed. You're not like you used to be. You've changed, chat. Hashtag not my chat room, bro. Like.
Kevin in the fridge.
That is so unbelievably not my style. It's out of absolute control. Thank you so much for your 5, but I would rather honestly eat Kevin than listen to that. I'm not even kidding. I'd rather physically try to eat him. He says, put Kevin in the fridge. All right, man. $150 to put a stuffed animal in the fridge. Just really putting full understanding behind this. Kevin, come here. Idiot. Sorry, Kevin. He'll be okay in there. Thank you. Appreciate your time the other day. Public, hey bud, you're gonna drag in a lot of extra viewers today with that thumbnail. Why does it look like I'm stretching? Like it looks like I'm doing like a calisthenic. Bro, I swear to God, this capture system of what it makes your thumbnail, like, always gets me at my worst times. Like, I'll be mid-conversation, I'll be doing something like this, and it'll capture me like, or something like that, you know, dude? Fishboy and Blorin, thank you for your new sub. Be Darkness has gifted a sub to Cirrus. Thank you for your new sub. And Kringle, thank you for 6 months. Bonjour! Ho ho ho! Oui, oui. Do they say oui in France, chat? Or is that the wrong spot? What the heck? What? Why do heck? Even though it hurt my feelings, thank you for your 25, Cartman, bruh. Thank you for 11 months. Hey, man. Don't touch me. Got him. Got that name. Spell this. Say that 5 times fast. Don't do it. Boy, if you don't. Put your little stars down. And super NA. No one was down here. Feels good, man. Come on! You want to see an alt chat? Too bad. Don't do it. Don't do it. Got him. One more. Triple kill. Play the game. Oh, lobbed it up with a prayer. I'll show you an alt chat. You ready for this? Watch this, babe. This replay. Ha! Mock kill! Cognitive, thank you for 3 months, dude. Appreciate it. Watch this, chat. He's dead. Ready for this? Hello? Stop. Nice try, Tim. Alright, let's throw a little finesse on the final kill. When I say finesse, I mean a little 360. That's actually pretty cool. Hey, it's not me. Pilot person, but when I play against Pharaohs in general, I want to physically fight the person on the other side of the monitor, yes.
Here's a thought. How about be on the same team with the then you never have to punch anybody.
Then I just feel dirty.
Here's a thought. How about you learn how to aim?
Listen, what did he say?
He said learn how to aim, you bitch.
Yeah, Buns, don't you have school to go to or something like that? It's like every morning, 11 o'clock. What are you doing?
I just got out of class.
Yeah, you just got out of class. Everyone says that, sure. You don't do anything, don't lie. I also just got out of class. Anyone else just get out of class, chat? Raise your hand.
Bro, I was watching your
On Tuesdays
your little
and
Pharaoh
Thursdays,
just
I get out of class.
Yeah, dude, same.
At 9:35.
Oh, weird. All my chat also just got out of class.
Wow. Still rebranded Tim the Tissue Man after yesterday's fucking cry about.
Yeah, she's impossible to hit. She's the stupidest character in this game. I stand by what I say. I'd rather play against 1,000 Junkrats than one Fair Mercy.
Do you think Defense Matrix is stupider than Pharaoh?
I would rather bring back Old Diva so I can just right-click a Pharaoh while she dies.
I fucking hate this.
Hey, there's a Tracer behind us, by the way. And a Cammy in the back, by the way. saying I'm trying to stay with you guys, but that their tracer is still behind.
Can't shield.
I'm gonna boot now.
Can't res that.
Okay, Arissa's one. Arissa's literally one left side. Hog low.
I'm about to get clipped.
Trace back line.
We kill OP!
This tracer has been back here since the start of this game. I'm not even kidding.
Oh, I didn't know until I just. Okay, we're up. Alright, let's go.
There's no mercy. And our cow's dead.
Ooh, holy shit.
Fabs and Fred, just got out of Physics 2 lab where I learned about diffraction of light. Turns out the only thing that moves faster than light is your elo dripping. Whew. Time Bucks from Apple Stampede. You're pretty hot, dude. Thanks, man. As someone, you know, I just appreciate that bro to bro, Apple Stampede. I don't know why I just immediately assume you're a man. Because I guess you could be a woman. Maybe you don't identify as a gender. Maybe you identify as a rock, dude. You know, 2017's wild, bro. I'm hoping, like, as we progress in the future, I really hope that humans are stupid enough. Because obviously AI, robots are eventually going to outsmart us. Eventually, that's going to happen. 100%. The time we're in, they already have like a robot that is seen as a citizen somewhere. I can't remember where I read it on the internet, but like there's a robot that has like a social security number. And so like I'm just waiting for humans to be so stupid to like put a robot in charge. I am waiting for that day. Quote me on it today, bro. 11/16/2017. TimTheTatMan called it. It could be 30 years, 40 years from now, but we are going to be stupid enough to be like, you know what, dude? Let's put the robot in charge and see what happens. Because I feel like we're going to look at it like, yo, robots are always right. They're very logical, stuff like that. Then bada bing, bada boom. We got Skynet going on. I'm like Will Smith and iRobot, dude. You know what I'm saying, bro? So, have you learned the song yet or no?
Hey, Valkia, did you enjoy being
Dude, I
top
played
500?
it for you last night, Tim.
You did not play the Charlie Brown Christmas song.
Alright, dude. I need you to sing it one more time.
Christmas time is here. Charlie Brown is near. Bam, 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 bam. That's literally it. And then there's like,
I wish I could sing like that.
and then there's like a couple.
You have a beautiful singing voice.
Couple little low points in that. Dun, 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 dun. Yep. Dun, dun,
Holy shit. Wait.
Dun, dun. Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, you're not playing right now, surely.
Makes sense. That they're doing more damage. I feel like triple damage is a new thing that's gonna come up and is really strong.
That's sort of fun. I got my ulti ready. So if we focus on the soda, then the others can't touch me.
I'm gonna ult that so I don't die.
Where is he? Oh, where are you?
I'm
On the Mercy?
You almost got me. I'm
Well, I'm
like,
here.
One down.
On you, Diva.
Going down as well. 2 down. They have no mercy.
3 down.
McCree front.
God,
McCree front.
What a god.
McCree left side.
First round.
nice.
Good recovery, chat. Claps image. Christmas time is here. Let's do it with me. Ready? Christmas time is here. Okay, right. And then do it one more time.
Christmas time is here, happiness and cheer fun for all that children call their favorite time of the year.
Yeah, that's the
Snowflakes
yeah, you
and
got it. That's
carols
it.
everywhere, olden times and ancient rhymes.
Watch for free.
Is it over? Alright,
Why are you
Yeah,
jumping
that's-
at him when all you had to do was run behind a wall?
them on.
That's a good question.
I killed their
Like
mercy.
everyone was sick. Okay, I feel my tilt
You
happening.
gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, can I?
Okay, Reaper behind. Reaper no Wraith. When that shield.
Point, please. Hey, guys.
Okay,
Nice.
Genji's on me. McCree on me. McCree coming from our spawn side and Genji. Both there deep.
Yo, there's Zen. He's one hit with my hands. He's 1 HP.
Sends a Reaper.
Where's my damage?
Sorry. I had to fall back a little.
He's 1 HP on the point. Oh,
Genji low.
I hate this video game.
I got it found.
Mercy's
McCree top.
get Mercy, she's half.
Into
Let's get
Winston.
McCree. McCree behind you. McCree one. Woo! Holy shit. Did. Oh
Gentleman,
shit.
you're a god.
Tim, are you gonna accept my friend request?
I'm not going to, no. Champ, I gotta restart my game.
What the?
Yeah, let's all just.
Mad Max, thanks for giving a sub to Chaotic. I gotta go. Like, it's 2:30. I am 3750. All I did was lose Elo today, bro. I'm gonna try the new update tonight, I guess. Oh, sorry, hang on. Destiny 2's... Trio with me. I'll get my main 4.2k Zarya. God, I don't even want, you know what, dude? Can I get a road to bronze in the chat, dude? I'm gonna make my title road to bottom 100 Pog Champ. Josh, thank you for 10 months, dude. Yeah, Moira's live, boys. I forgot that you can't play her, though, for a little while. That's unfortunate. I forgot that you can't play her yet. Like in competitive.
Traveling to Mumbai. Prepare your defenses.
Alright, now that Mercy's out of this shit forever, shit up chat, you know? I just can't get away, you know, from these people. That damage is super sexy.
low.
I'm gonna start playing Anna again. Feels good, man. Although I will say, I think I'm gonna play Moira when she comes out live.
Can I? You get a junk rat. No junk rat.
I should have just eaten. I should have went and ate lunch, chat. I don't know what to tell you. I can't. There's no solo healing through all that. I'm gonna try to win, but I really don't hope we do right now because I'd like to go be with my wife. It's a big auntie though.
Point. No hog, no.
Oh, don't wake him up.
That's great. I don't know who woke him up, but you may have just single-handedly lost this.
No, we got the point. Genji's one. Okay, maybe not, actually. Okay, you know what?
Yeah, I don't know who woke that Winston up, but thank you. I gotta go, Reaver. See you, bud.
They do, dude.
It works, chat. It works. I gotta go anyways. Thank you for spending time. Thank you for hanging out. New subs, old subs, little D's, top D's. Thanks again. Tana for the top D. Guys will be on in about 6 hours for the night stream tonight. If I don't see you tonight, I'll be on tomorrow morning, 8 to 12. All right. I don't think I'm going to play Overwatch tonight. I think I've taken enough beating now that I need to take a step away for a little while and get away from Overwatch for a little bit. I may try just because technically the new meta may be live tonight, but God bless chat. If Overwatch keeps going the way it goes, I'm going to take the season off again and come back next season. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you tonight. And then tomorrow morning, 8 to 12, and then tomorrow night we have a sponsorship with Lineage 2, so that'll be interesting. I'm gonna try and do the emulator stuff in between streams today. So thank you again for being here. I'll see you guys. Adios.